Hi!
Curious como.
What is this?
It sounded cool.
Okay, let's use the almighty remote control.
Uba.
It's sucking in dust.
It's so loud.
It's amazing.
Uba.
It's a small cave.
All right, one more time.
Wow.
The cave is sucking in dust.
Suck them all in. Hey.
I just heard something blow up.
I'm so dizzy.
What happened just now?
One, two. He's stuck on so badly.
One, two.
Hi, Como. What did you meet today? Oh, you met a vacuum cleaner. What did you think about it? I'm curious.
What?
Whoa, it's sucking
The
in
vacuum
dust.
cleaner makes noise.
It's so loud.
It's amazing.
The vacuum cleaner sucks in dust. The vacuum cleaner gathers the dust.
What happened just now?
Wow, that must have been so much fun. Como, I'm curious about next time.
Bye.
What? What is it?
What is it? It's wrong. What is it?
I wonder what we'll make today. Huh? It's pointy at the end. It has a green stalk. It's thin and long. Oh, I know! We're meeting peppers today.
Huh? Wormy! Wormy!
Wormy, where are you? They can't find me.
Wormy! Oh, where on earth did he go? Oh,
Come on. Should we color the peppers? No. Peppers aren't yellow. Not purple either. Yes, peppers are red.
Oh. Yum! Red things taste delicious. This one will be too. It's hot! It's hot! Try some.
Oh.
It's hot. It's hot, isn't it? It's not? How can that be?
What do peppers taste like?
Yeah, salty.
No, peppers are not salty.
Yum, yum, yum. Sweet, 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 sweet.
No, peppers are not sweet. That's right. Peppers are hot.
Huh?
What is it?
Found another cool thing!
What is it?
It has so many buttons!
Gummy, try pressing something. Anything?
Oh my! How did this happen? Uba stopped!
What? Uba has stopped? Oh, it can't be. Should I press something else?
Booba!
So cool!
Incredible!
Oba? Ubaba?
All right, we can control Uba. What does this button do? Yep.
Uba?
Bigger, 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 get bigger, 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 bigger.
That's too big!
Get smaller, 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 smaller. Get smaller, smaller.
Uba! Ubaba! Uba! Ubaba!
Uba got smaller! Uba, you're so cute! Yep.
Ba! Ba!
Well. Yep. Yep.
Ba!
That's so funny!
Uba keeps changing.
Gomo, keep changing it!
Uba is more fun than television. Gomo, that's enough. You'll break Uba. Hi, Gomo. What did you meet today? You met a remote control today. What did you think about it? I'm curious.
You are?
It can control the TV like it controls Uba.
Uba!
Just like it stopped Uba mid-air, it can stop the TV screen.
That's so funny!
Just like it changed Uba, it can change the channels on the TV. Wow, that must have been so much fun. Gomo, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Oh, so heavy!
Wow, it's big! Roll it, roll it.
Wow, amazing!
Now let's decorate the tree.
Okay!
Oh. What's going on? Careful, careful. Yeah. Uba! Uba!
Uba!
Throw it!
Uba!
Right here. Yeah.
Calm down!
To the left, to the left.
There! All right! Gather around! Okay, here we go! It's amazing!
Beautiful! What's this?
What is it? What is it?
That's funny!
Oh, that scared me.
Merry
Let's go, let's go! What are these?
They look weird. Wow, they're big. Wow.
What is this?
I don't know. What is it?
I wonder what we'll meet today. Wow, it has so many small leaves. They look cushiony. Is it a tree? It looks like a vegetable. I got it! We're meeting a broccoli today.
A broccoli.
It looks like a huge tree.
I know. It has things that look like leaves.
Gomo, Should we color the broccoli? No, broccolis aren't red. Should we try another color? No, broccolis aren't blue either. That's it! Broccolis are green! Good job, Como!
Oh, aha! Oh. Ta-da!
Wow, a swing! It looks like so much fun! Uba, push me hard, okay?
Uba.
It's so fun! So high!
What is that?
It's a dinosaur!
Run away!
Get in the kite!
Hurry, hurry! Hurry and get in!
That was close!
He's not coming after us, is he?
Uba. Uba. Uba.
Over there, too!
It's a flight of dinosaurs!
Wow! I see something interesting!
What are they?
What is this? It's stuck on tight. How strange. What happened? What is this?
I found something interesting. Me too. They're stuck. They're really stuck.
Uba.
What is this?
This is called a magnet. Things made of metal like nails, keys, and clips stick on magnets. And magnets have N and S poles. The opposite poles stick, and the same poles push each other away. Fascinating, right?
So this is a magnet. Wow, fascinating.
Wow. Uba.
Metals get stuck on them. Aha!
Uba.
Ta-da! What do you think?
Uba.
What's going on? Beats me.
Wait and see.
Ooh.
Phew!